Okay, so this is example number 3. What mass of carbon monoxide is needed to react with 480 kilograms of iron oxide? Now there's a few little things to catch us up here. The first one is the balancing, which we'll come to in a minute. But the second one is they've given me the mass in kilograms. What do I always have to work out moles in? Grams, that's it. What's the first thing in our 3 steps? The first thing I'm going to do? Yes, Ellie.
Would you find 480 by 1,000 to make it into grams?
Yeah, 480 by 1,000 to make it into grams. Yeah. So step 1, I'm going to work out moles of iron oxide, and that equals mass over molar mass. The mass they told me is 480 kilograms. I'm going to convert that into 480,000 grams. The molar mass of iron oxide is 159.6. I've worked that one out. So if I do that, 480,000 divided by 159.6, that gives me 3,007.5 moles. That's a lot of moles. Step 2, what do I look at? That's fine. The thing I'm going to do is look at the equation and work out my mole ratio. So, the 2 things they're asking me about is iron oxide and carbon monoxide. So, 1 mole of Fe2O3 reacts with 3 moles of carbon monoxide. Now, the way to do it, you need to work out now the moles of carbon monoxide is you take your moles of iron oxide, 307.5, you divide it by the number in front of iron oxide, which is 1, and times it by the number in front of the carbon monoxide. So if you always follow that routine, you'll be fine and dandy. So you take the number of moles of iron oxide and divide it by the big number in front of it in the equation, and times it by the number of the thing you're trying to find. If you do that, let's whiz that in the calcs. 307.5 times by 3, that gives me 9,022.5 moles. And finally, step 3, final thing I need to do is, yeah, brill, convert moles to grams, convert moles to mass, which is equal to 9,022.5 times the molar mass of carbon monoxide, which is 28, times that by 28, that gives me 252,630 grams. If I wanted to tidy that up and put that into kilograms, that's quite a lot. I would say 252.6 kilograms. Is that all right for everybody?